Hi, my name is P, and this is my first YouTube video. I'm just a girl that loves Jesus.
A lot of people confuse a body polish with a body scrub. Do you know that?
Hi, I am Mary, the mother of Jesus. God bless you all, children of God.
These short clips that you guys just watched are actually images that I generated, and I was able to convert them into short clips like this. I generated the image from AI. The second one was a thumbnail that I created for my YouTube channel. So if you are a business owner and you are shy of coming out to advertise your business, or you want to learn how to make pictures or images talk and convert them into videos, whether you are into the folk tales or other AI generated niches, then this video is for you. I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to generate these images from scratch, how you're going to make those images talk, and also convert them into videos using Capcut. The good thing about all this is from generating the script to generating the pictures and making them talk and also editing them on Capcut are totally free. Like, these apps are free apps that you can actually use to generate or make your pictures talk. So without taking much of your time, let us dive straight into it. The first app I use to generate my image, because I actually use the Pixar 3D image, you guys saw it, but if you want to use your personal picture or you want to generate any avatar of your choice, you can actually go ahead and do it. But for the sake of this video, I'll be generating a Pixar 3D image, and then we're going to go ahead and generate the script and make the picture talk. The first app we're going to be needing is our Chat GPT. We all know that Chat GPT has been saving lives for a very long time now, guys. So if you don't have Chat GPT, yeah, this is the time to install your Chat GPT to your phone. So let us head straight to Chat GPT and generate our picture that we're going to be using for this tutorial. The first thing we need to do is to generate our image. So what we're going to do is we'll head straight to Chat GPT to generate the image that we want to use to make it talk. You can use any of your picture, but for the sake of this video, I want to be generating an image. So I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to please generate a Pixar 3D picture of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What am I doing? Nazareth, putting on a brown gown, or should I say robe, whichever, and stretching his hands forward. Okay, so anything you want, you just have to be creative, guys. You can just be very creative about it. Just tell ChatGPT what you want and ChatGPT can create it for you. So let's wait for ChatGPT to generate. You can actually use Meta AI and other AI tools to generate your image, but I actually love to use ChatGPT because ChatGPT gives you one of the best Pixar 3D pictures, especially if you are into the AI niche. If you're into all those folk tales and other AI generated niches, ChatGPT can just create any picture of your choice. You just need to imagine it and then you prompt it. So I think our picture is almost ready, guys. So let's just give it a little time. It just take a few minutes and then your picture is ready. Okay, so guys, this is it. So this is just the prompt so you guys can see. So you just go ahead and then you click on save, and then you save your picture to your photos. So I already created an image that I want to use for the next step, but I just want to show you guys what I did so that you guys can see it and understand this step. Now let's move straight to the app that is going to make our image talk. Now that we have successfully generated our image, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be moving to the app that is going to make our image talk. And the name of this particular app we're going to be using is the Digen AI. This particular app has a free version and it also has the paid version. When you download this app, they're going to give you 300 credits for free, and you can use this 300 credits to download like 10 or 15 short clips of your choice. So now let's head straight to Digent AI and make our image talk. If you're still watching up to this particular point and you're yet to like this video, please kindly like this video so that YouTube can push it to more people that this video will be of help to. That's the name of the app, Digent AI. So you go ahead and click the Digent AI. Remember, you already have your stock image. So normally when you download this app, they're going to give you free credits, like almost about 300. So I've used part of my own, so I have like 240 left. So I think after, I don't know whether it's monthly or weekly, they normally increase it. Yeah, they normally increase it, I think every month if I'm not mistaken. So now that we are in Digent AI, this is the time to make our image that we generated from ChatGPT to talk. So after downloading, you register with your email. After registering with your email, I've already done that already. So you go ahead and click on this create that is up with blue. You click on create and then you allow it to load. After you click on create, what you're going to do next is, now this is the aspect ratio. So you can change it if you're creating, if you want it to be in this landscape, that's the YouTube. If you're posting on YouTube long form videos, you have to change it to this 16:9. But since this is going to be a short ratio, you're going to leave it in this 9:16. So this is it. Okay. So already is a 9:16. Then you click on image and then you go to your photos. So this is the picture we just generated now, the picture of Jesus. So you go ahead and click done. You allow it to load. Now, after the picture has loaded successfully, you are now going to click on prompt. This prompt here, you go ahead and click on prompt. So what you're going to do here is you're going to type in the prompt of what you want the image to be doing. So for the sake of this video, I'll be putting talking, smiling, then hands and body gestures. If you want your image to be smiling, you can go ahead and type in smiling. If you want your image to be crying, you can go ahead and type in dancing, anything you want. If you want the image to fall down or jump up, just go ahead and type it here. So I want my image to be talking, smiling, then hands and body gesture. So you go ahead and tick on this place and that is it. The next thing you're going to do now is click on talk. So here now you're going to type in what you want your image to be saying. You type in what you want your picture to be saying. You go ahead and clean this. So what I want this image to be saying is, hi, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I love you all. God be with you. Or let me say, peace of Christ be with you. Shalom. Now, this is it. After writing your what you want your picture to say, you will now click on, you're seeing this place as is written big food. You will click on it. So after clicking on it, now these pictures you're seeing now, they are voices, like different type of lip sync voice that you want to, because what we want to do is want the image, you want to lip sync the image, you want the image to be talking and say those things that we just wrote in the prompt. So you're going to look for a voice that you want. So Jesus Christ of Nazareth is a male figure, so you look for a male figure.
Ready to make your art move? It's easy with Digent's Real Motion. Watch the magic happen.
Ready to make your art move? It's easy with Digent's Real Motion.
Ready to make your art move? It's easy with Digent's Real Motion. Watch the magic happen. And
Ready to make your art move? It's easy with Digent's Real Motion. Watch the magic happen and join us on this amazing journey.
Scooper. Let's go with this Scooper. So after that, what you're going to do is you're going to download. Make sure you upload, sorry. What you're going to do next is to upload. Click on this upload. Make sure this Ultra Gen 3. Make sure you click on it. If you don't click on this Ultra Gen 3, your image is not going to talk. It's just going to be making the body gestures and the hand gestures, but it's not going to read all these
that is written here. Then you click on this place that you're seeing 10. So you click on it. Good. After clicking on it, a little credit will be taken. So another option is, if you want, you can use your own voice. If you don't want to type in and use any of the AI generated voice, you can click here and then you record your voice. You can say anything that you want to say. You can say, hello, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. You can use any voice of your choice. If you want it to like sound more real, you can use any voice of your choice. But then for the sake of this particular tutorial, I'll be using this method. Yeah, then you go ahead and download what you just type in here and save it.
Hi, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I love you all. Peace of Christ be with you. Shalom.
All right, so you guys heard it, right? So you upload. So as you can see, it has uploaded. Look at it here. It has uploaded. Then what you're going to do next is you click on it and then it will upload here. Hope you guys are seeing. Perfect. So it's done uploading. What you're going to be doing next is you click on this mark sign up. Make sure that this Gen 3 Ultra is, ticked or checked in. If not, your voice is not going to be heard. Your picture will just be dancing or talking, but you won't hear anything. So go ahead and pack. And then another thing you should pay attention, you make sure that this place that is written prompt and this place that is written talk, make sure that it is showing blue. If only prompt is showing blue, then talk is not showing blue. That means your image is not going to talk after generating it. So what you're going to do now is you click on generate. Guys, let's go back. Okay, I think we'll go with Gen 2. This Ultra 3 is not available in the free version. So let's click on generate now. So you're going to give it time. It normally takes sometimes 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. This one, I think this is the highest I've seen so far. It's showing 18 minutes. So it's going to take a little bit of time, guys, but it's worth it. It's worth it. So guys, as you can see, our video is ready. Our image is now talking, like our image can now talk. So what you're going to do is you go ahead and download the video to your photos. Once you're done downloading, let's go back and check what we have. So I'll go to my photos and then this is it.
Hi, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I love you all. Peace of Christ be with you. Shalom. Hi, I am
So this is what we have, guys. This is what we have.
So if you want to create long form videos, you can actually make like 5 to 10 clips and then you merge them together and you create your long form videos. There are other apps that can actually help to make your image talk. Maybe in my next video, I'll be exposing you guys to more apps. But for the sake of this video, just focus on Digent AI for now, especially if you are a beginner. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be heading straight to Capcut in order to edit all our clips and put them together into short or long form video.
The next thing we're going to be doing now is to go to Capcut. This is where all the editing and other things will take place. So already I have the Capcut app downloaded in my phone. So I'm going to open it and then I'll click on this new video icon. So this is the image that we generated. This is another image that I generated earlier. So I'm going to be merging two of the videos that we created in the Digent AI. So this is it, guys. So you can just start editing. Let me start by increasing the volume.
Hi, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I love you all. Peace of Christ be with you. Shalom.
So this is another one that I actually created.
Hi, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I love you all. Peace of Christ be with you. Shalom.
Hi, I am Mary the...
Now, I know you guys will be talking about this Digent AI logo that is down. So all you need to do is you can just kind of expand it a little bit and take the logo out. Okay, then you do the same thing here. Just a kind of expand the video and take the logo out. So if you're doing it in form of short, this is it. You can just let it be like this and then you add any effects. If you want to add effects, you can add as many clips. You can generate as many clips as you can. If you're into folk tales or story, all these Bible stories, anything you want to do, you can just add as many as you want and then you can be creative. Okay, so let's be a little bit creative here. So let's add keyframe. we can add effects and keyframe. So let's add keyframe here. Okay, we can add keyframe here and another one here. Then let's add effects. Let's add effects, guys. You can add any effect of your choice just to make it look more visually pleasant to the eyes. There are so many effects you can actually try, guys. So many effects. So let's try this one and see how it goes.
Hi, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I love you all. Peace of Christ be with you. Shalom.
Hi, I am Mary, the mother of Jesus.
Okay.
I love you all. Peace of Christ be with you. Shalom.
In case if you want to, do it in a form of a long form video, you have to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. That is the YouTube long form video. So once you do it like this, what you will do is you can just expand a little. Okay, then you blur the background just to make it more aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. We blur the background again for this one. So you do the same to all the clips. So you guys can see it has now changed to the long form video aspect ratio.
Hi, I am Mary, the mother of Jesus. God bless you all, children of...
So you can add music if you want. You can add any music of your choice. You can add any music of your choice. Okay, this is Christmas season, so let me just add any Christmas sound. If you're using the free version of Capcut, please make sure you go with musics that are free. Don't go with musics that belong to the pro or the standard. If not, they will not allow you to export your video.
Hi, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I love you.
Okay, let me add the volume a little bit.
Hi, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I love you all. Peace of Christ be with you. Shalom.
Hi, I am Mary, the mother of Jesus. God bless you all, children of God.
So guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. You can just be creative, guys. Just be creative. You just have to be creative and add as many as you can. Okay, so this is what we have.
Hi, I am Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I love you all. Peace of Christ be with you. Shalom.
Hi, I am Mary, the mother of Jesus. God bless you all, children of God.
The AI niche is actually one of the top paying niche, even though a lot of AI channels are being deleted now. But if you learn how to make your videos the right way, your channel is not going to be in danger and you're going to earn massively. Look at these channels. These channels are AI generated channels and they are doing very, very, very well, guys. So I don't know what you're still waiting for. I don't know why you've not started creating your own AI generated video. If you're a shy person or you are a business owner and you're shy to come out, but you have talent and you have things that you want to teach people online, this is the time to make good use of the AI generated videos in order to create your content and also earn massively on YouTube. So in case you are still procrastinating, this is a very good sign for you to start now. For those of you that wanted to do it but you have no idea on how to start, so this is now a very good opportunity for you. You can go ahead and save this video, download it, and also share with other people so that they will also learn how to create their videos. That brings us to the end of this video. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert your text to speech using AI for your long form AI generated video. So if you want to see that video or that tutorial, please kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.